So I'm going to show you how to add an ancillary event to the events and gated assets in Webcast main document that we have here. So when you get an ancillary event issue, it should have all the information you need, including date and the campaign tag, etc. So what I'm going to do is take the name, collision from home workshop, and it's June 24th, 2020. So I'm just going to go here as a virtual corp. I'm going to paste this here. Oh, it did not work. Paste it up here. Workshop. Speaking session. June 24th, 2020. Oh, goodness, that did not work either. Okay. So the DRI is Tegan. MPM is mute. Status. So over here we're gonna put this at work in progress, and it's a speaking session. And I'm gonna say yes. And virtual June 24th issue link. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this issue link. Put it here. And you'll notice it gives you the date for when you should send the follow-up email, write the email, etc. And really this process works for just about any event